how to connect Upwork to Wise. So from your main page of Upwork, we want to click on our profile icon in the top right corner. And then here we're going to go to settings. Once we're taken to the settings page, we're going to focus our attention on the left hand side and just click on get paid. So once we have clicked on get paid, we need to add a method here by pressing this button. So if you want to transfer money to Wise or through Wise, then you want to scroll all the way down until you see this option for direct to US bank deposit. So for deposits to US banks, deposit to US bank account in US dollar. So now right here, we will need to click on set up and it will ask us for the account type. So basically you get all of this information from your Wise account. So you get the routing number, the account number, and you need to confirm the account number. So all of this information right here, which acts like a bank account, you can get from your Wise account, like I said, and you can also Google search for the routing number of Wise if you don't see it on the website. So after you have filled this information in, then you will need to click on add bank account, and it says that this payment method will become active in 3 days, but I've actually seen it take up to 5 days. So 3 to 5 days is what you can expect. So that's how you do it. That's how you connect Upwork to Wise. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.